grown folks, so you're gonna be hearing a lot of grown folk language. Don't you be on no little sister stuff. I heard this, that.
Oh, man, baby sis over here catching the vibe.
Earlier today, I was listening. Had a soundtrack. I was had a playlist going, and it was what song was it? I think it was an Outkast song. It was one of them songs, and she heard him say like little couple cuss words. She's like, "Ma," I said, "Now look, that's the type of stuff that's gonna make it so when we get older, we can either have a strong bond as siblings, or like whatever. That's the type of stuff that's gonna make it so." Whatever.
Hey, that's real though. you being a fuck. Like,
stand up.
You gotta be able to be, you know what I'm saying? Cause I know you don't be acting like you a cursed baby sis. I see it in your face. You look like my oldest daughter. And she be doing some shit like, hey, what the fuck you? Car smoking my weed, trying to act like it wasn't mine. Like, what the fuck you doing smoking mine? In the house.
She don't be doing all that, right?
No.
Yeah, not yet. I'm just messing with you, basis.
Sit down. So, you know what the conversation me and Mom was having about A, this can go viral because it's a good song and whatnot. So that can still go viral because it's a good song. B, they can make fun of you because of the wig and you still go viral because of the clout. It's gonna be B. Yeah. Yeah.
So you can't cut it to where it actually look like.
She's so funny, man.
Look, that's gonna be used for the promo right there.
I'm telling you, bro. She's great. She's great.
She just over here she just dog. She just dissed.
This is the longest forever, guys.
Alright.
This is the longest forever.
Oh, y'all still touring?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
I was hoping you would have some ghost stories and send me some.
Oh, no, you ain't need nothing like that from him, at least. I don't know.
I don't know. That first of all, I felt something. I walked away. I looked
You said
around.
where?
It's like a walk upstairs.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't know. Especially if you go places you never fucking know what's going on.
Yeah. Okay, she got no scissors. She about to hook you up. Yeah.
This is wild, man.
Just watch them blades now.
So what y'all think of the spot? All in all, honestly being huge.
Awesome.
I like it.
So what's your superpower?
I have no superpower.
That's
Yes,
a
you do.
lie. Everyone has
You
a
black. Yes,
superpower.
you do.
Right.
Oh, thank you.
That's a bold-faced lie. Unless you like one of the X-Men, you haven't learned your superpower.
Sure, I can tell you right now what her superpower is.
What
Oh
is
my
it?
gosh.
The way she can just connect with people, make you feel like the only one in the room. That she good vibe.
Okay, she's the Jean Grey.
Oh, thank you, Nico. Ooh.
You still hanging here? I thought you was going back.
I came here so that I'm ready like to show my brother.
I keep forgetting you 18 out here. My bad.
Yeah,
I gotta put some respect on you.
Alright.
You know what I mean?
So it looks.
Yeah,
Yeah,
my bad.
Yeah.
My bad.
I think so. Yeah, my mom even texted me. I told her.
Yeah, y'all good. Y'all done. I promise you. I'm just kept waiting to do their makeup. I got y'all doing scenes. Various stuff. The tag team. Y'all do it. Y'all been walking around.
That's accurate. Now, now, it still looks wacky, but I like it better. Alright, you're done.
You get the vibe of.
You get. Wait.
Yeah, he got some fun.
Oh, yeah, bitch, record.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God, it's Zuko.
I'm finished.
Wait. I was like, don't cover your masterpiece.
Oh my
Right.
God.
It's really good.
You did so
Thank you.
good.
Thank you.
So it's a burn or like a
Burn.
Yeah, it's a burn.
Yeah,
that's
scar
good.
burn. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Okay, that's.
We're not doing it.
How did you learn how to do all this?
YouTube.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Thank you.
So when we do shorts and we need like
You got us on
A
the
stab
makeup
wound.
Or for what type of?
She charged $15 an hour.
you wouldn't have like that?
I mean, we
She
got
charges
you.
$30 an hour.
Hey,
better have
more
that
than some of us.
I mean, you got you. But I was just wondering if you would do it for us.
Sure. What type of?
Like this.
Okay, well.
Or like stab wounds.
Right.
Little gunshot wounds.
We'll all be laughing. So.
She gotta start something.
Okay, so we're ready.
It is what it is. Looks good. Good enough.
Yes.
It looks good.
No, I like this part. I can take this part. Okay, I'm ready. King.
Who is this Chris that just followed me?
Did you see that Guinness? The long Guinness thing?
Maybe
Are you recording too?
I'll bring it up. I may have